Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Malaysia Airlines flight booking and travel management app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Malaysia Airlines is an official flight booking and travel management app designed to make flying with the airline easier and more convenient. It allows users to search, compare, and book both domestic and international flights directly from the app. The platform also provides online check-in, seat selection, mobile boarding passes, and real-time flight status updates, all in one place. It's available on both iOS and Android and integrates with Malaysia Airlines' Enrich loyalty program, where users can earn and redeem points on flights and upgrades. The app's main feature is its streamlined booking and travel management system. Users can plan entire trips, manage bookings, and even access exclusive offers directly through the app. Frequent flyers appreciate features like saved passenger details, digital boarding passes, and personalized travel notifications that make air travel smoother and faster. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Malaysia Airlines' clean interface, quick loading times, and ease of booking. The integration with Enrich points and membership rewards is also a major plus for loyal travelers. The app's real-time flight tracking and mobile check-in options save time and reduce airport hassle. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report occasional app crashes or errors during payment processing. A few have mentioned slow updates for flight delays or gate changes. Additionally, while the interface is intuitive, certain features like refunds or multi-city booking can feel limited compared to other airline apps. In summary, the Malaysia Airlines app may be worth using if you frequently fly with Malaysia Airlines or want a convenient, secure, and well-designed way to manage your flights. However, if you prioritize advanced trip planning tools or use multiple airlines, you may find broader travel apps more versatile. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.